Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Honda HR-V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.